Hey everybody, this is Reverend Kit Holmes. It is time for One Mind Wednesday. It is Wednesday, January the 21st, 2026. And today I just want to give a shout out and a happy 139th birthday to Ernest Holmes, Dr. Ernest Holmes, and his magnum opus, The Science of Mind. This Saturday, the 24th of January, I will receive my official ordination as a Science of Mind minister. Religious science, that's the philosophy, the way of life behind it. And I wanted to make a special note of one of my favorite Ernest Holmes books today, called This Thing Called You. I have read it cover to cover numerous times. I put a link in there to the Random House publisher directly that distributes this book, and I highly recommend it as a very, very enlightening, very deep, but also very readable. And if you know Ernest Holmes at all, the Science of Mind is dense and not entirely readable. But This Thing Called You is an incredible, exceptional guide to good living. And what I mean by good living is in a spiritual flow of knowing your worth, knowing your connection to all of the all, knowing your connection to the all of the all, which is God or spirit or higher power or whatever name that you choose to give it, the God of your understanding. So it is just an acknowledgement that this little big book, Science of Mind, and This Thing Called You were things that I have carried read many times along this journey to this next step of myself as a musician and a minister, and just wanted to share that with you. If you're looking for something, if you're looking for some guidance, especially through these very, very transformative times, I highly recommend This Thing Called You, to stay grounded, to just remember who you are inherently as a divine being. And to just note that both of these books, as well as many, many others by other authors, but primarily from Ernest Holmes, were things that saved my life more than 25 years ago, and set me on this path to becoming a minister. So I recommend diving in, exploring, and above all else, just simply send some good vibes up to Ernest, good old Dr. Ernest, on this what would have been his 139th birthday. And again, if you're looking for a community, the link for CSL.org, Centers for Spiritual Living, which teach and preach and live the Science of Mind philosophy. If you're church hopping, if you're looking for spiritual community, and community right now is incredibly important. It's always important, but right now especially. If you've been wandering in what feels like maybe a little bit of a vast wasteland between spiritual, not religious, I'm going to point you in the direction. I'm going to shout out to Centers for Spiritual Living as a philosophy and a way of living. It's not a religion, even though in the name, it's religious science. And there's a reason for that if you read the books. But Centers for Spiritual Living is a philosophy and a way of living in community, in oneness, in harmony, in the respect for all life, and the desire to help everyone remember who they are as a divine being on this planet. So there's my pitch for today. I'll be sending out a live stream link to the ordination. If you're interested at all, maybe see what it's about a little bit. Be sending that out as a separate Facebook post, social media post that will be coming later today. So there's your One Mind Wednesday for today. Thank you for joining. Please check out all of the links that I've provided for you in the description of this post. And I absolutely cannot thank you enough for your support and watching and sharing and liking these videos, and on the YouTube channel, the website, all the other places that you might go searching for this, and sharing it with other people. So thank you. So remember, we are all a part of the one mind, which means we are all in this together. Kindness matters. Love is indeed the only answer. Keep showing that love light. Keep showing up as the light that you are, because you are the light. See how that works? All right, I love you all dearly. I will see you again next Wednesday for One Mind Wednesday. Be well, be well, be well, be well. Take care of each other. Bye.